So this is what I've been waiting for. 5 kilometers before Longkou, and this is the border belt with China. And you can see people trading out here. I'm gonna get into China without passport, without visa. If you're thinking what I'm gonna do right now, it's one of the craziest thing ever done. I'm gonna take my motorbike, go to China, drive for half a kilometer, maybe a kilometer, and come back. And God knows what I'm gonna do right now. But now, get the motorbikes, ride to China. Now that's the border. And that's my bike out here. I gotta be crazy to do it. Okay, folks. So this was a little tour. This was a little tour in China. You can actually pretty much hide out here and just pitch the tent and sleep. I gotta be super nuts. So we are back to the border, crossing the border back to Vietnam again. See? Really feeling hungry. After getting from China, I think my hunger is double. Let's get to Longkou, take some photographs, find a place to sleep, or maybe come back and sleep at the border. What do you think? Cross the border, sleeping in China illegally? Dude, are you nuts? We'll see about that when the time comes. What do you think I'm gonna do? Well, just keep watching. If you think yes, do comment. If you think no, do comment. If you think I should be doing it, let me know. If you think I should not be doing it, let me know. Whatever case, do comment below. Now, let's head to Longkou. That's the Vietnamese flag. The last village of Vietnam. See there? guys, we finally made it to the last village of Vietnam. This is it. This is it, Long Cu. At the top you can see the Vietnamese flag rising up high. Outside. So I slept pretty much out here and she helped me out for the night.
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Thank you.
I am Minh.
Bin?
Minh.
Ming.
Vietnam. Picture.
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 Picture. Nice. People are so amazing out here. I told her, she asked me where I'm gonna sleep for the night, and I told her that probably I'll go to the Chinese border and sleep out there, pitch my tent. And she's like, no, you sleep out here, no money. Like, well, okay. And yeah, I was pretty much working on my vlogs. I did some editing. She had some Wi-Fi that she shared with me. And yeah, that's pretty much place that you see. Okay.
No.
Oh,
No.
breakfast.
No.
Ah, you already gave me a place. Breakfast.
Không, no. Khi nào về đây? No.
Okay. Come on.
No. Okay. Tạm biệt nhá. Tạm biệt. Ở đây ạ.
Bye bye.
Tạm biệt nhá.
Oh, she gave me a place to stay, and in the morning I had a breakfast. She prepared already the breakfast, and now when I'm leaving after like long time, it's 12:30 right now. I should have left early, but I was working on some project, so she wouldn't accept the money. And I was like, people are so nice. Welcome to Vietnam. That's my bike, all set. Back on the wheels, folks. Yep.